Welcome to BMCC Library's Quick Database Search Tips, a guide to getting started at the BMCC Library. Tip number 1, start with a general database like OneSearch, located at library.bmcc.cuny.edu/home. OneSearch searches books, articles, streaming media, course reserves, and more. Tip number 2, connect 2 or 3 terms with AND to retrieve results with all words. Looking for articles on breakfast and academic performance retrieves over 3,300 hits. Tip number 3, look for the filters available in most databases for publication date, article type, age group, language, and more. A filter for article type peer-reviewed journals narrows search results. Tip number 4, from a relevant result, notice subject terms, synonyms, and related terms to expand your search. A synonym for academic performance might be academic achievement. Tip number 5, expand your search terms with or, searching for breakfast and academic performance or academic achievement broadens the search and increases the number of results. Tip number 6, when prompted, be prepared to log in with your CUNY First account, the account you use to log into library resources, Brightspace, and Microsoft Office 365. Tip number 7, look for full text links. Your CUNY credentials allow you to access the full text of your results. You may see a link to Available Online, Find It at CUNY, Access Options, or Online Full Text. Tip number 8, look for the Cite feature available in most databases. Citing a source helps you to compile your research paper list of references in the style requested by your professor and to avoid plagiarism. Tip number 9, explore a specialized database. Choose from more than 200 library-subscribed databases for art, business, health, history, literature, and so much more. Visit library.bmcc.cuny.edu/az/databases. Tip number 10, need help? Ask a librarian by email, chat, or making an appointment at www.bmcc.cuny.edu/library/help.